Hey, hello, my friends. And yes, you really are my friends, and I'm going to prove it. We have an amazing live event coming up. It's the first one of its kind. It's called Life Coach Live. I'm doing it in November in Arizona, where I just purchased a home, and we are going to pull out all the stops. 3 days. Coaching, teaching, possibility formula, how to make your life a contribution. I've been working on the content for it. I am so excited to liven up life coaching in a live event. Before we go completely all in on selling tickets, we are offering a friends and family severe discount. I want to make sure you get it. If you listen to this podcast, if you've wanted to coach with me live, if you've wanted to meet other people that listen to this podcast, this is your opportunity. Friends and family tickets are available for a few days. Go to thelifecoachschool.com/lifecoachlive, all one word, and get your ticket immediately. They will sell out at this price. I promise you. And I don't want to feel bad that you have to pay more. So go buy it now. And I will see you in November in Arizona. I recorded a really cool video for the sales page, and I am going to play the audio for it right now. But you definitely want to see the visual of this audio. So go to thelifecoachschool.com/lifecoachlive. I can't wait to see you guys in November. Let's go. It's here. Are you ready? Life Coach Live. We are having a 3-day event.
Woo! I got you. Let's go.
We are going to do everything. I am going to be coaching you live from stage. I am going to be teaching you the full possibility formula in person. I am going to teach you how you can use life coaching as a way to make a contribution to the world.
Life coaching has literally changed the trajectory of my life. I was like this.
By simply living your life at the highest level, by being an example of what is possible, you can impact the world.
The art of life coaching is all about how you develop yourself.
You go from being the victim of your circumstances to the total hero of your own story.
Life coaching matters because you matter.
I have never been more passionate about getting people into a room together to talk about what is possible, what we're being called to do in our own personal lives. What are our dreams? What are our wishes? What do we want to create with our own lives? I have been a life coach for 17 years. I have seen it all. We are about to come up on some circumstances that are going to affect all of the things in the world. And we have to be ready. We have to know how to think. We have to know how to process our emotions and feel. We have to know how to take action and stop behaviors that we don't want to do so we can become unstuck. We have to learn how to create results in our lives. This is the 3-day event that is going to do it. Please come with me. We're going to Arizona. It's beautiful there in November. I am going to be on that stage coaching my face off. If you've never seen a group of us working together, coaching live, it is so much fun.
Room is making us nervous.
Yes. It's too amazing.
The room is better than us.
It's entertaining at the same time. It's life-changing.
The work that I want to do here today is going to be very revealing, and we're all going to be very vulnerable.
This is my special invite to you. I want to make sure that you get in the room, that you're able to experience the true power of life coaching. I am first and foremost a life coach. Yes, I've created the Life Coach School and I'm a very successful founder and CEO, but I want to go back to my roots, to the part of me that is the truest passion for me, and that is coaching. And I want to do it for 3 days live with you. So sign up, let me know, and I'll see you in November.